Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the August mystery, which I am super excited about. We printed the labels on Friday. This is going to be going out Monday and we will be dropping them off today, which is Monday, so you guys should be getting them soon. So this is the August mystery. I'm so excited about this kit. It is really like a perfect kind of anytime kit. It does have some kind of like fall vibes, but I don't think that it would kind of like inhibit you from using it whenever. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this. I'm going to go over the ultimate first. If you guys aren't familiar with our mystery kit, I have a little mystery tab on our website, but long story short is this kit is no longer available as it has already shipped, but spots for next month's mystery, if we have any available, will be up, I believe, on the 13th. Let me double check that date for you guys. Of August, the 13th, yes. And those will be for the next month, which will be September's kit. The mystery kit does automatically bill you every month, so you don't have to worry about resubscribing, and you can cancel anytime before the charge happens, which is on the 1st. So let's go ahead and get into this month's mystery kit. So first thing is kind of a new thing that I'm doing as of right now. I did do journaling cards in the past, but I am bringing them back. Like I said, for now, we do have rounded corners on this one. It's on a really nice matte paper. This has one of the decorative elements on here, and then on the back there is a little bit of an explanation of the kit. So this is a woodland theme. You can use it as an anytime kit, great for a baby shower, wedding, or birthday as well. I think so. And this features one of my favorite scenes, which you guys will see in the double box. Then it goes on to say that the Ultimate Kit subscribers comes with lots of extras, including the Rose Gold Twinkle Wiggle mini kit. If you have FOMO, shoot us an email to see if spots are available for you to upgrade. And then if this theme is not your cup of tea, definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade. And if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, definitely check out our Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook if you're looking to get your hands on this. I know once mystery kits go on there, usually they sell pretty quickly, so definitely keep an eye out for that if you're looking for this kit. We don't bring this art back to the shop for about a year if we do decide to bring it back at all. So this, again, like I said, is the August mystery kit. This is the ultimate subscription. It comes with so much stuff. First things first, you do have your little Andrea Munchkin freebie here. These are the full boxes. So like I said, it is a pretty like neutral woodland kit that I think would look really pretty as an anytime kit, or it could be kind of like a pretty party kit, I think, for a birthday maybe, or like I said, like a wedding, baby shower kind of feel, but also, like I said, just an anytime kit. I love the colors, kind of different with the natural color vibes here. So you have your ombre heart checklist, you have your functional page, you have your half boxes, you have your icons page, which is your extra full box here, which has that little kind of like bird bath in it, which is super cute. I love all the butterflies in this kit. You have your little things page, your fancy labels and solid washi, more fancy labels, pattern washi, and headers. Deco, more functional items over here, tons and tons and tons of deco. And then you have your bottom washi, which features a scene of trees, and then you have an extra full box over here. Super, super cute. So that is the Ultimate Kit. Normally the Ultimate Kit in the shop is $29.95, but the mystery subscription for the Ultimate is $30 plus shipping, and you do get a bunch of extras. So let's go ahead and go into the extras. There is a ton here. So you do have the 15mm strip, which you can overlay your washi overlays onto, or use it by itself if you want to. So you have the 15mm strip, you have the glitter headers, the label sampler, you have some fashion girls. There are two different kind of designs, super cute, love these. This reminds me very like wedding, but also like kind of like a baby shower, and these ones kind of remind me of birthday kind of vibes. So super cute tall boxes. You could totally cut those down and use them, maybe if you wanted to cut this one and you wanted to use this on the if you're into tall boxes, use this on the sidebar. Maybe use like the feet because they're pretty cute with like the super cute dress. Somewhere else you could kind of get creative there. And then for the foil this month, I do have another wiggle, and this wiggle is a rose gold wiggle. It's the same rose gold that's in our shop, so you can either add it to your collection, or if you don't have a lot of rose gold from our shop, it's kind of like a little bit of an intro for you. And then also it looks gorgeous with this kit. I think you really honestly do any foil color. Now that I'm looking at this, hollow might be like a choice, but the other like main foils, I think gold and silver would look really pretty with this, but I really love rose gold with it. I think whenever I use it, I'm going to be using rose gold just because I love the kind of more like these colors, and it kind of is like the perfect match with that. So this is just a normal wiggle. So the weekend banner is cut out. It is a twinkle wiggle. So you have your icons and your date numbers, your photo corners, your header overlays, your full box overlays, and then you have this sampler page with mini icons, flag overlays, like little like emotions, what are they called? Emojis. Bow, some little twinkle deco, and then a weekend banner, and then last but not least, there is also the 15mm strip for the twinkle and then the 15mm strip of the inverted bows, which I love. So that's everything that comes in the Ultimate. Like I said, normally in shop the kits are the $29.95, but with the mystery it is $30. Honestly, like I don't know why I did $30. It's just like it's been that way for forever, versus the $29.95. But yeah, you get a lot of extras and it is so worth it. And I love this journaling card. It is also going to be in the mini too. So let's go ahead and go into the mini real quick. So the mini is the more affordable option. Obviously, with the more affordable option, you get less extras. So the Ultimate is definitely a more popular choice. But if you are on a budget, definitely check out the mini kit because you still get a couple extras there. So you do have the full boxes, the mini kit exclusive page, the functional page, the deco page, and then the bottom washi there. You do also have your freebie, which is the Andrea Munchkin freebie, and then you do get the glitter headers as well as the label sampler. And then the journaling card too. Super cute. I ordered the next three or four mysteries worth of journaling cards, and they're all so pretty. Like I opened them up and sent pictures to Emily and was like, these are a vibe. They are so cute. So that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that you guys like it. I am probably going to be using this, I think in September, but I might use it in March. I feel like March is like one of those months where I never have any kits planned and then I kind of regret it. So I'm trying to like kind of vibe it out and see what kind of kits I want to use for March. I have another one that I'm going to be using for March too. Oh, the Harry Potter kit that's coming out next week, like the house inspired ones. I think I'm going to mix the Hufflepuff one and the Slytherin one and do a kit in March as well. So I'm already pre-planning what my kits are for next year. So love these. I hope that you guys like them too. And again, if you want to subscribe to next month's mystery, definitely check out on the 13th if we have spots open, and sign up for the September mystery. September mystery is a cute one. It's an anytime kit as well. So that is everything for this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.